Hi everyone, welcome to SAP FICO world. Now we are going to learn how to create company and how to define company. For create company T code OX15. For define company T code OX02. Assign company code to company T code OX16. Enter T code OX15. Next select new entry and give 6 alphanumeric characters which is not already existed. Give company code and company name and all requirement fields. Once you fill the all requirement fields, click on Save button and give new transportation request and click Save. For define company code, enter the T code OX02 and select new entry. Choose unique 1 up to 4 characters which is already not defined. Give company code and company name and all requirement fields. Once you complete the all requirement fields, click on Save. The new page will open. Fill the all requirement fields, click on Save. After creating company and company code, we have to assign company to company code. T code is OX16. Go to position, give company code the one you defined.
Select your company code and give your company in blank field and click Save. This is how we create and define this 3 items in SAP. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.